Hello everyone. It is Monday morning as I'm recording this, and many of you are probably getting this horrible screen on your math website. Here's how to get around this if you're looking for something. You come to Resources. Then I'm going to mark first grade because that's who I am. And I'm going to do Lesson 1-3, Topic 1-. As you can see, I've already been looking a lot. But if you type in Building Math, this is what's going to pop up for me. And this is the web page I need for my kiddos. But if you're looking for additional practice, this is the one I've had the most trouble with. Well, you know, it wouldn't have trouble today. You can do an interactive, which is online, or you can do the printable. But that's how, if you can't find under Table of Contents what you need to go looking, you go to Resources and type in what you need. Also, make sure you're just looking in English because you will get the Spanish. You can also use e-texts. If you're on your smartboard, you can assign from Table of Contents on your smartboard. Thank you.